such an adventure. It's hard to capture with words when you see so many great things in one trip.
Like empires, we rise and then we fall. Can the tides calling through it all?
Que pasa, mis amigos? We finally made it to the most southern tip of Argentina, Ushuaia, basically known as the end of the world.
At the end of the world, where will we be? Immortality.
It's almost 11 a.m. Still making our way through Drake's Passage. And she's serious. Boo's still rocking a little bit. It's not too bad, but it's definitely for real. And although she looks calm now, earlier, she made her presence felt.
Twin pillars, the east and the west.
Putting on these base layers. Few Zodiacs already in the water as the scouting team goes out to make sure everything is safe. We are ready. It's on.
Okay, we've got a leopard seal on this pipe.
Nice stuff.
Is calling me. Speak our names forever. Eclipse the world together. Gonna build an empire. Build an empire. Take the world by fire. Gonna build an empire.
We are on the bottom, the very bottom of the world.
This is what we've been waiting for. They don't know we've been.
Hi, please stay seated. I just have a few.
So the water is actually really warm. I don't know if you can see the steam coming from off of the water, but still active out here. Taking this journey uphill.
Speak our names forever. Eclipse the world together. Gonna build an
So this is what we had to come through to get to Weller's Bay. This is actually a pretty narrow passage. Wow. Ooh. God, I didn't sail through this. Crazy. I don't even know where we are. It's a small dot on the map right now. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like and share. And please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications for new content. Explore the world with us. Sky Dweller Views.
empire.